Hey guys, it's Alex and Tom with TGT Custom Works. Today we're going to show you the 223C1 IC heater control pin kit. So the original is made out of aluminum. It breaks. We've got a mild steel version, comes with a push nut. Tom's going to show you how it's done here. Real quick, simple fix. Take it away.
Take that out of there. So this is an IC heater control cable. You know, they come in 40-inch, 30-inch, 22, whatever, but this control head's all the same. And this particular pin is not broken. It's a brand new control, but we're going to show you how to replace the pin. Your gear's probably laying down in the heater box somewhere. You'll need to find the gear. You know, the driver's probably got the handle in the cubby hole because this pin has come apart in two pieces. So what we're going to do is right here there's a push nut on the bottom of the gear. We're just going to pry that right off of there. Like I say, you probably will have the gear sitting there with half the pin in it, but we're going to remove the gear. Like I said again, this is an aluminum pin. It's probably broken too. We're going to replace it with a steel pin that we make. So all we do is we insert the pin. Don't forget the little gear has a lip on it on one side. That goes towards the top. And the secret to this is to get the gear, this rail, and the heater knob timed. So in this case we are at, you can see where the gear is sitting all the way to the end of the slide rail. Now I don't have it in a bus. I don't know if that's full on or full off. But you're going to want to make sure that this knob is turned to either full on or full off. Keep it there, turn the gear accordingly to time it, so that when we put this thing all together.
So that's what's going to make sure that the hot is actually hot and the cold is actually cold?
Yes.
Word.
So then it comes with a new push nut, so everything's in time. Just pop the push nut back on there. And there you go, you're good to go.
All right. Thank you again for joining us. Say goodbye, Thomas. We look forward to seeing you guys again next time. Don't forget to give us a like and a follow.